Here's that pretty sunset I was talking about, and a good shot of the dock in the foreground.
Yeah, boat.
Any words, Mother?
No, I really don't have any.
The prop appears to be stuck in the sediment below. We're going to attempt to free it and get it back up on the lift for the night. There's Dad's boat lift for the fishing boat, and his dock is here.
Pretty much.
The boat
Do you know where that came from?
is a complete loss, along with his depth finder and all of his other equipment in there. You can see the water level is all the way to the top there in the back. That is normally hooked onto the lift,
gonna be
or
room?
the dock, which is in the water.
What's that?